What is information technology? A story of evolution. Information technology, or IT, refers to a spectrum of technologies including software, hardware, communication technologies, and related services used to create, process, store, secure, and exchange data. Its evolution is a story of consistent innovation from a massive vacuum tube computers to smaller transistor-based mainframes, making technology more accessible and integrated into our daily lives than ever before. The 5 evolutionary stages of modern IT. Basic computing device like abacus has been used since at least 500 BC, but the Z1, created in 1936, considered to be the first functional and programmable modern computer. Z1, invented by Konrad Zuse, also known as the father of modern computer. It was the first machine to incorporate many elements including binary arithmetic, control unit, and a memory system. There are broadly 5 case stages in the evolution of information technology infrastructure. First, the centralized mainframe. Second, the personal computing. Third, the client-server era. Fourth, enterprise computing. And lastly, the cloud computing.
A mainframe is the central data repository or hub in a corporation's data processing center, linked to users through less powerful devices such as workstation or terminals. This is a mainframe computer. It is a large computer, often used by large businesses and government offices or by universities. It is a powerful, large, and enable multi-users. One example of this is the insurance company. They use mainframe computer to process information about millions of its policyholders.
Personal computing. Enterprises and consumers needed quality systems and devices that fit their environment. Companies like New Horizon provide HP business and consumer PCs, desktops, mobile devices, workstations, notebooks, and tablets. So, personal computing kay ang paggamit sa computer sa usa ka tawo o sa negosyo. Og sa una nag-demand ang tawo og mga quality system and devices nga compatible sa ilang environment. Kay sa una mga computer katong mga dagko pa or katong dili ka siya accessible para sa tanan. O dili na naabot si New Horizon na nag-offer og mga new technologies like PCs, desktop, mobile computing devices, tablet, etc. na mas accessible na siya sa mga tao. Computing goes mainstream with mainframes. In 1964, IBM 360 became the first modern mainframe, making mainframe mainstream. This was a time of highly centralized computing where one vendor provided almost all IT needs. The IBM 360 could do 229,000 calculations per second and support thousands of terminals connected via communication protocols and data lines. So, way back 1964, dili gipaila si IBM 360. Mao ni siya ang pinakaunang modern mainframe o kani siya ang mainframe nga dako o kusog na computer na makabuhat og 229,000 calculations per second na makasupport sa libo-libo ka mga terminals pinaagi sa communication protocols o data lines. Democratizing computing with PCs. In the 1960s, the shift from mainframes to decentralized computing started with the introductions of mini computers. This gave more power, decentralization, and customization compared to mainframes. But only in 1975 did the first affordable PC, the Altair 8800 or 880 came out. So, 1960s, dili nasugod ang pagbalin gikan sa mainframe ngadto sa decentralized computing na mas gamay ug mas barato compared sa mainstream nga ug masayon siya i-customize. Pero ang tinuod nga change nitabo sa 1975 sa pag-release sa Altair 8800, ang pinakaunang personal computer nga barato. Tungod anay dili lang dakong kumpanya ang naay computer. Bisan ordinaryong tao, estudyante o gagmay nga negosyo makapalit na.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Christian P. Cardona, and I am here to discuss the client-server era. Client-server era 1983 to present. In client-server computing, desktop or laptop computers called clients are networked to powerful server computers that provide the client with variety of services and capabilities. The client-server era 1983 to present refers to a model of computing where work is divided between two types of computers. First is client, usually desktop or laptops computers used by end users. Servers, more powerful computers that provide services, resources, or data to the clients. Networking the PC through the client-server and enterprise computing eras. By the 80s, there was an increasing need for business to connect all their standalone PCs so that employees could collaborate and share resources. It explains that by 1980s, business needed to link their standalone PCs so employees could share files and resources. The client-server model made this possible by connecting PCs through a local area network or LAN to central servers, application, and printing. This allowed collaboration and marked the shift towards enterprise-wide computing. Server could be a mainframe or a powerful configuration of smaller and expensive systems that offer the same performance and functionality of a mainframe at a fraction of the cost. It explains in the client-server era, servers could either be mainframes or collection of smaller, cheaper systems that work together to match mainframe performance at lower cost. Applications were developed to let multiple users access the same data and functions simultaneously and enabling collaboration.
One is enterprise computing. Enterprise computing is a business-oriented information technology that supports a company's daily operations. Systems like IBM Z and Linux One handle large-scale tasks such as analytics, clouds, infrastructure, and security. In 1999, Salesforce introduced CRM to the internet. This started to shift hardware to software in the cloud. Today, these giants like Google, Microsoft, and IBM use cloud computing, making it the new normal for enterprise information technology.
Cloud computing, according to Gartner or si Gartner is a global research and advisory company nga maghatag nitong insight ug advice. Ingon si Gartner nga ang paggamit kuno og enterprise information technology sa mga cloud-based nga serbisyo is dali kaysa non-cloud-based. Cloud computing is a on-demand availability of computer system resource, especially data storage and computing power without direct active management by the user. Ang cloud computing kuno naghatag kuno sa IT on-demand access para mo-compute sa mga resources, including ani is the network servers, the storage, application, and services without the cost or hassle para mo-manage ug mo-maintain sa mga hardware. Ang example sa cloud computing is the Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox for cloud storage, Google Workspace, Gmail, and Docs, and the free tiers offered by major cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud free tier for more advanced services. These free options provide the access to file storage, productivity tools, and even certain infrastructure services. It allows the users to experience the cloud technology without the cost. Sa cloud computing na ito local service, una, the application. Application is the computer program designed to specific tasks for a user, like monitoring, content, collaboration, communication, and finance. Kaduha nga service is the platform. Platform is the environment or framework in which software runs or is built. Object storage, identity, runtime, queue or the database. The last three is the infrastructure. It refers to the hardware, software, network resource, and services like computer, block storage, and network.
The last final thoughts of evolution of information technology. So what is information technology? Para nako, ang information technology, it can be makashare ka og mga important information. So, mo na ang rason nganong importante jud kayo sa atoa ang information technology. And it can be easily to communicate other people using Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or unsa pa na siya. So, mo na siya ang information technology.